Hello friends, welcome to Stock Business News. Friends, I already mentioned that HEG and Graphite India, they are same product related manufacturing companies, and I already mentioned in my previous video that within short span of time these two companies given good returns. So I mentioned to sell before results day or on results day itself. And what happened today means that HEG falls from nearly 1200 above to 1135. So friends, and it also mentioned, that means released its quarterly Q3 results today, and the results will be negative, and they shown sales decline 18% to 309 crores, 319 crores, and a net loss of HEG reported 0.80 crores in the quarter ended December 2020 against net loss of 1.23 crores during the same quarter on December 2019. But friends, if you think previous year it has 1.23 crores loss, but this year it has 0.80, that is also very good to hear. But what thinking means revenue, and we thought that it will give good returns, but it posted negative results. And this is what looking forward, government will take some excess duty actions on graphite rods which are importing from China and other countries. So with these already today selling happened. See friends, here so much of selling happened. Due to that selling, the share price drastically fallen. See here, if you see here, the share price drastically fallen with a huge selling pressure. And friends, here itself also the share price, some members sold at it moved above 1250 rupees. And if you see here, the share fallen from here, but after some buying pressure it moved. But tomorrow I think it will see some selling pressure, and this selling pressure will be on Graphite India also. Why? Because they are same related companies, like twin companies. And I am expecting Graphite India will give good results, somewhat better than HEG, but still uh, it will also see some selling pressure. And that's why I mentioned, whenever everyone buying we have to sell, whenever everyone selling there we have to buy. This is the make must and fundamental rule in stock businesses, and stock marketing people will do. So friends, I am thinking tomorrow also it will get some selling pressure, and Graphite India will sustain at 350 levels. It's having support level at 350 levels. And for HEG, see you yourself, you will see now that I am keeping 1 month, and see the share movement what it given in 1 month, sudden surge. So see friends, it is around 1000 rupees. See here, 1000 rupees it get some build up movement. And here wait a minute. Friends, if you see here, after it moving up, and after it given downward, and after with the 800, I think 800, not 800, at 900 it gets some buying pressure here, and after that it moving around here. After I think it's 1050. Friends, I am thinking with this all the moving averages, I am expecting it will sustain below 1000 itself. And there are so much of money which was eradicated in Graphite and HEG. I already mentioned in earlier my videos. So friends, I am expecting please make your money who are entered in near terms come out of this HEG and Graphite India. Why? Because it will sustain some below levels. So this is my view, and we have to see what Graphite will post tomorrow. And thank you friends, thank you very much. These are good companies, but targets are reached. So whenever targets reached, HNIs, high net worth investors, sold their shares and they will take profits. So at that time retail investors will get stuck there at high values. And that's why I already mentioned before itself, when shares are moving in positive, there itself I mentioned, friends, sell the shares and make your capital right away with you, and we will invest in other stocks which are having good movement and good returns will generate. So this is my view on Graphite and HEG friends. Thank you very much. Thank you.